Okay, so our topic is how to cultivate thoughts. A lot of times, what happens, we know how to speak in English, but when we face such a situation, like we have to speak abruptly, we are invited to speak like on the stage, or we have to talk to others, we have to attend the meeting and all, or somebody asks a random question. At that time, a lot of people freeze, they get frozen, they're not able to speak anything, and later on they just think, come on, I should have said so, I should have said that. If it happens to you, so I'm gonna let you know how to cultivate your thoughts. Be quite focused. Okay, the first one is, okay, remember, whenever you are getting any specific topic, you don't have to panic, you don't have to like panic at the moment. Feel free, get relaxed, and then try to divide it into multiple bullet points, multiple parts. For example, suppose uh, suppose I got a topic of artificial intelligence. Okay, AI. I got this topic. Now somebody asks me, what do you think about it? Then I will divide it into bullet points. The first one is why. Why? It means you have to talk about why you have been given this topic or why you have been asked this question. For example, okay, I will explain it to you later on. The next one is meaning. Meaning. Okay. And after that, you have to talk about the current scenario. The current scenario. Okay. After that, you have to talk about uh, advantages and disadvantages. Means pros and cons. Okay. After that, you have to like. Furthermore, you have to talk about the current steps, yeah, the steps being taken by government or individuals to tackle cons. Alright. All right. I will explain each point. I will explain each bullet point. Don't worry about it. And besides that, you have to talk about your own scenario or your own examples. Okay. Your own suggestions. And then you put conclusion. Now, conclusion is also like furthermore divided into in two parts. In conclusion, you have to talk about the main idea, and after that, you have to talk about the way forward. It means how is the future, like what's going to happen to it in future. Okay. Now, let me explain it. I have given you a lot of bullet points, but make sure with each bullet point you will try to add examples as well as, okay, you're going to add examples as well as facts, stats. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Example and stats are compulsory. Okay, let me explain it now. I got the topic AI. Now, why? So we'll start it like this. If it is a discussion, if it is a presentation, if it is a debate, we will do according to that. If it is a discussion, we will start like this. Good evening, everyone. My name is UV, and today we are over here to have a discussion on the topic artificial intelligence, AI, the emergence of AI. Now, when we have been given this topic, we have to understand why we have been given this. Why, right? Okay. Now, we have been given this topic because nowadays AI has taken over the whole world. People are using it like crazy, and AI tools have entered all the domains, like your offices, schools, colleges. Government organizations everywhere. It has intruded, it has entered. That is why we are talking about AI. Now, when we are about to go ahead with AI, we have to understand the meaning. What is the meaning of AI? So, AI means, as the name suggests, artificial intelligence. If intelligence is given to a kind of machine artificially, that's going to be an artificial intelligence, right? And it has the immense capacity that brings us to current scenario. Now, when we talk about the current scenario, uh, okay, it is being used in government organizations, schools, or when we talk about the world, at world level, it is being used for war as well, for battles as well. And if I talk about India, so India is adapting it recently. uh, an AI school was established in Kerala. Maharashtra is building AI university. Lucknow has been nominated as the AI city of India. See, I'm adding stats, I'm adding samples, right? That's compulsory. Current it, like relate it to the current affairs. You have to relate. Hmm? Then people are gonna listen to you carefully. Well, as everything has pros and cons, so it also has the same. First of all, we're going to talk about the pros. When we talk about the pros, so it has a lot of advantages, like it can work so fast. We don't need to wait for hours. We do, like when we talk about researchers and all, we don't need to wait for hours. It can do it in minutes. Apart from that, when we talk about coding and all, it helps us over there as well in advertisement, in marketing, in designing the product or content writing. It helps everywhere. It helps the educators, the students, all the people. But yes, at the same time, it has a few cons as well. It has a few disadvantages as well. For example, it does make mistakes. Yeah, sometimes it does make mistakes, and a lot of people, they're not aware of it. If you're using ChatGPT or any other AI tool, you must have seen it. They have highlighted something. AI can make mistakes, so check the answers and all. It does make mistakes. That's one of the disadvantages. Apart from that, unemployment. A lot of people are getting unemployed because of it. As companies are now adapting AI, and they are firing the people, they are booting off the people. Uh, so it's not like ethical in that sense, it's not better for them. Besides that, if I talk about AI, so as it is evolving, it is developing day by day, a lot of people are concerned that it would take over them as well. Takeover means it would control them as well, and it would become more intelligent than human beings. So we have to be concerned about it. It can control everything, and deepfake videos are also being made. Recently, our external ministry secretary, his deepfake video was being viral. So obviously, that's one of the cons of AI. Now, when we talk about the steps being taken by the government and the individuals to tackle the cons, I would say, uh, as of now, the Indian government is just promoting AI because, first of all, in order to avail of all the pros, all the advantages, we need to enter it. We need to, if you can say, induct it in our system. And yes, government is doing so. Uh, and if I talk about individuals as well, a lot of people are making their career in the same, they're learning it, they're doing a lot of things with it. But yes, in spite of being aware of the disadvantages, we are not taking any step to tackle it as of now. We just want to evolve. We just want to develop. We just want to delve into AI as much as possible. So this is happening as of now. Okay. Now, when we talk about my own suggestions, I would say, uh, yeah, I mean, AI is not going to take the job of those who already know how to use it. So yeah, we need to be able to use it. When you are able to use it, obviously it's gonna be working as a boon for you. Okay. And besides that, when we talk about more points to tackle its advantages or to carry on with advantages, I would say AI has literally like transformed the world. Now, earlier we used to Google everything, but now what we do is just go to AI and make the personalized plan, the itinerary, or we just ask for something, we ask for recipes and whatnot. We like take help of AI as a personal assistant, and yeah, that is what it serves for. When we move further with conclusion, I would say the emergence of AI has been a significant step in the human history. But again, as it is already said, with a great power comes great responsibility. So we are responsible for how to use it. If we know, if we are aware, if we are vigilant on how to use it, I don't think it's gonna be harmful for us. And later on, obviously, like when it gains much intelligence, I don't think still it's gonna like take the place of humans because humans have created it and humans can destroy it as well. That's my personal opinion. We have to use it cautiously. When we talk about the future of AI, I would say in future as well, it will keep developing not only the chatbots, but there are a lot of video models are also there, video image models, a lot of models are there. Now you can just make websites in seconds. So in future as well, a lot of people are unfortunately they're gonna lose their job, but it is going to produce skills. Moreover, it is going to be detrimental to our creativity, but still, it is a necessary evil. So, with this, I would like to rest my voice. Thank you so much for listening to me.